Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
No.
Yeah, have you spoken with someone just now?
Yes. To jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín àbí?
No, Tojo already. I just gave. Yeah, you people are even frustrating someone. The one to Tojo already be by you know.
Ẹ̀yin lọ sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ yín ni fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ àbí ẹ̀dùnkọ̀ fún tẹ́lẹ̀ ni.
We are saying people. See, what do you want? We are calling this is money that you have called me more than 4 times today. Me, I'm reporting someone to you that someone said something about you. You're not free for me. What me I come out to say is what you are after. Wait, let me ask you what. You are interrogating me. Let me interrogate you.
Okay.
Is this you on the screen? You wake up, right? You really.
Eminie.
Thank you. You have interrogated me, right?
Actually, the first
let me interrogate you first, sir.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Thank you. I don't need me. I'm not after fashion.
Of course.
I don't need you. I don't need your money.
No.
I don't anything that have to do with fast. I am a straight Arabic story writer. I write Arabic story books.
Oye.
That's what I'm known for online. And I make Arabic entertainment. I make Arabic music.
No.
We are here to promote Lughat al-Arabiya.
Inshallah.
And we don't want anything in return.
Of course. Oye.
But when we are hungry as a writer,
no.
we write for people who are wealthy.
Right.
In hope that they will compensate us.
Then.
And I've written a lot of books that have been compensated by people who Allah blessed.
No.
That is better than going and stealing, robbing, and doing what Allah does not want.
No.
We are in the street. We have God. God lives in us.
No.
Allah is the one that can judge everyone on Judgment Day.
Of course.
Because you wear cap doesn't mean me. I color my hair, I place my hair, I'll enter Jahannam.
No, at all.
My heart is it.
I don't know if you oníbọ́lá wọn ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ sí.
mi ò lọ sí mọ́ríkà mi ò kéwú ní mọ́ríkà sí ọmọ tápà ni.
Oyè mi ẹ ti sọ yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ sí. Mo ṣàlàyé nǹkan kan fún ẹni tí ẹ gbé kọ̀ fún tó bá yẹ.
Now I was only hearing police, soldier, army. You can send army to Sambisa Forest. They should go and arrest bandits. You cannot tell me that because I face camera and I said that and I expose someone and you're asking me of a number and I said I don't want problem. You will now say that you will use police. I can drop you my address today. They should jail me and they should kill me in the prison. You people should tell me what you will gain. From the fact that I face camera and expose someone, they should jail me. Should be what you are threatening me now is that they will arrest me, they will beat me and they will kill me. If the last thing is you want them to shoot me, they should kill me. I would rather, my last breath is that Zimbabwe money, all these American people are like run away from their mouth.
No.
Because what they are telling me now is not clocking with what I'm telling them.
Brother.
It's only a against me.
Brother.
Why I'm trying to refuse an offer. You are here telling me that. Olokpa and soldier and whatever.
Brother, can you calm down and listen
to me? Is that you people want to ask people I fuck up. You want to ask people I fuck up to my meet about because you people fuck up. For what is America do and for what you are doing?
Can you calm down and listen to me?
This is my call. You can't intrude my call. I'm serious. This is my call. You can't intrude in my privacy. I know what I'm talking about.
Calm down.
So this is my call.
Calm down, brother.
You can't start for like society you alone.
No.
This is my call. This is my call. This is my call. What more? Say the end. I don't fuck with Alphas. Today I will run nonsense by you. You understand?
Sure.
I want shit and shenanigans by you. I don't fuck with Fulaman. I'm a street boy to the call. I promote Arabic language. Since last 5 years, nothing offer me 10K, 20K. Share video because of Americans now. And abuse them now. You understand? Since 5 years, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, I have been receiving DMs from anonymous people. What's up, Tapa? Yo. Americans man proof about Arabic. Share Arabic can go to what in response. Can you reply in Arabic language? I've been receiving this fucking message since last 3 years, bro. I never tell anybody. But I received a very huge offer, and I was like, really? Okay. People can go to 20 seconds to bring someone down. You understand? I was shocked.
Right.
Watch the video. This Alpha to where flying is open. He want me arrested. This is a I don't know him now. This is a disgrace to Marcus. What things are telling me? People fuck up on a big time. Some guys talking against me. People fuck up. Get out of my phone. You fuck up.
I just put on the idiot.